I actually forgot to turn the camera on when I started. Like I said, I am dead slow when it comes to the burn, because I just don't know how total accurate I would be with everything set up real hot. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off because I am really slow with this. For some reason, I don't like birch, and that's what this is I really do not like birch to burn on, but that's about the only thing you can get that's bigger. Alrighty, well, I'm going to turn the camera off for right now. Hello, everyone. I found out yesterday that my camera does not always tell me when my battery is going to run out. Usually it sets up such a fuss that you just can't ignore it. Yesterday, battery went dead and it didn't say a peep. So all the stuff I did yesterday, I didn't get one frame of a video. So I've got a little left today. I'm going to film a little of it. It's just making it black. So I was hoping that I could, sorry about that, the neighbor's working on his car, that I could do it a different way, but it turned out that I am going to do it all black as the guy had it here at first in the book. But anyway, let me get the camera set up, get everything ready, and I will show you what I'm doing. Okie-doke. Be right back. All right, here we go. I'm using I believe they call it a spoon nib or spoon tip, however you want to say it. Okay, I have to, excuse me, believe it or not, I have to answer the phone, so I will be right back. Okay, everybody can see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to turn the camera off, otherwise it's just going to be boring me sitting here making smoke. So, come back to you in a bit. Well, I did get it done. I got all the black in. I'm hoping that you can see that it is rough in texture. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but it is nice and rough, kind of like scaly, and that's kind of what I was after. So I'm going to piddle around with some paint, see which one. I want a bright paint behind it, so I want to see which one that I'm going to use. So I'll be back with you in a jiffy. And remember, grab your cane, your hiking stick, your walking stick, whatever you use, and get out there, because nature is beautiful.